well, night one's in the books. General takeaways from my short stint here in Nebraska. Kind of a shithole. Not much going on here. Pretty disappointing in the mansion, you know. Came here, thought it'd be a cool spot to get some photography going, shoot some GoPro video. Mansion looked like a worn down POS. I mean, the campgrounds here are pretty nice, clean, cows and shit here, but not a whole lot going on here. I think if it's up to me, if I'm ever traveling through the Midwest, the Great Plains, I think I'm skipping Nebraska and just gonna keep on going to Wyoming. I did find a nice diner, Lincoln's Highway it's called, so hopefully they got something decent going on there. Let this place redeem itself a little bit. Otherwise, we got about 7.5 hours drive today, headed to Firehole Canyon, where Wyoming meets Colorado. So let's get some breakfast and get this show on the road. Well, breakfast was halfway decent. Got that biscuits and gravy hitter with you know, a little bit of egg, a little bit of sausage. Pretty much as expected for being at a, you know, random ass diner on the side of the road. Boy, I'm glad I'm leaving Nebraska today. 7 hours, 24 minutes, 506 miles till we reach Firehole Canyon. So let's go. So just got to Firehole Canyon and all the way down to the bottom of the canyon, gonna camp out. No cell signal down there. Basic site right on the water. You guys are gonna love it. So let me take you through the canyon here and show you what it's all about. We made it. Here we are, Firehole Canyon. Right on the water. The thing I'm gonna do different this time is I'm gonna set up my canopy first instead of last. Even though it's much less windy here today than it was last night. Damn Nebraska.